Redken and Olaplex are popular brands in the hair treatment segment. Olaplex is used during the hair coloring process and works on a molecular level to protect and repair hair. Redken pH bonder forms a shield around the hair to protect it during coloring, but doesn't offer deep repair like Olaplex. Olaplex has an 8-step treatment process, while Redken pH bonder has a simpler 3-step process. Both brands have maintenance products, but Olaplex offers a wider variety for better overall maintenance. Olaplex is compatible with different hair types and has minimal side effects, while Redken pH bonder is designed to repair and rebuild bonds. Olaplex is more expensive due to the larger kit and maintenance products. Olaplex is praised for its extensive maintenance products and overall quality. Redken pH bonder is simpler and more affordable, making it more accessible to budget-conscious individuals. Both products are effective in preventing and repairing bonds during the coloring process. Between the comprehensive treatment of Olaplex and the budget-friendly simplicity of Redken pH bonder, you have effective solutions for hair treatment and color protection.